Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Okay, now. Okay. So your question is what happens when you remove the container, correct now?
Yes.
Okay. So understand that there are few things happen. First thing, let's say I go to this directory, cd overlay. Now I have how many containers you have? I'll do little bit of cleanup first to have a clear demo. So right now I'll remove all the Jenkins.
No, it's not editing.
No, I just give me 2 minutes. I'll tell you that exact changes. Okay. So I stop, remove. Let's do the fresh. How to delete images? RMI. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Now I cleaned up everything. Now your question is what happens when you delete the container? So I'm creating a container from the Ubuntu. So docker run-itd Ubuntu. Now you see here I created one container. Now I am going to inside this container. So here docker attach and here I go inside a container. Okay, and inside the OPT I will write some file such DevOps school.txt. Correct? Control PQ. Now remember, I have a DevOps school.text, right? DevOps school.text. Now let's understand this. What happens? So right now, container is running. See that container is running. Is there the directory? This is attached. The moment you stop the container, you see that Docker stop and container ID. Docker ps docker stop container ID and you see df-kh. See, can I start one more time? See here. See, merge directory. Look at this. So what happens when you stop the container? They mounted it that directory. When you stop the container, they unmount actually. See here. That's the one thing. Correct? Now this directory is available all the time. Okay? But remember I modify one file more. See here. This got deleted because it stopped it. See here. See that? It stopped. Okay? Now it stopped. So now that directory is not available. But if you go here, delete merged, see this layer is available. So yes, whenever you stop the container, understand that whenever you stop the container, merge directory will be deleted. But you will get a diff which is here and OPT. I did change an OPT. See the container D. Okay, this is OPT. Not this. Just a second. Hold on. This is Okay, I'm checking the, I'm checking the
Root.
root. Yeah, that's,
It's also-
yeah. See, this layer is there, but here diff opt, see, the file is there. Okay, so in the diff
Okay.
directory file is
Okay.
there. Okay, and now the moment you start that, it will get merged also. Let me start this.
So the merge also pick up the changes from the diff and it merge, right?
Yeah, the merge where it pick up the changes of the diff. That way you get everything, no? Otherwise you won't get everything.
Yes, yes. Okay.
See here.
Okay, okay. That's why it stores all the changes in diff directories. It can merge it.
So only the diff
image
directory
in
will
the diff.
diff directory will have a changes only of the one which is added, changed and deleted, nothing else.
Okay. Okay.
So now what happens? You are inside this, right? Let me come out of it. Now let's delete this directory. Stop. Container, not directory, sorry. Stop and rm. See, permanent loss is there. That container also got deleted. See, if I do cd dot, see, no such directory and I see this. So did you understand this?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So guys, I will teach you now how to create images. So here, how to create images. So there are two ways to create images. How to create images. So now there is a two way. Way method one, which is we call it manual method, and method two, we call it automatic method. Manual method and automatic method. So here, what we are happening, manual method and automatic method. So here using container. Okay. Here also it's container, but we use Dockerfile for it. So this is automatic method, Dockerfile. So now I'm teaching you this one, and after that I'll teach you this one also. So let's start it. So what you want basically, so my manager said, okay Rajesh, do one thing, create one image which has a base behavior like a Ubuntu or RHEL, whatever it is, you like it. You can pick it up, whatever. Ubuntu. And inside that have a update the operating system. Inside that install the Git. Install the Apache 2 or something like that, or let's say install something Tomcat or something like that. Okay. So, or before Tomcat you have to install Jenkins, Java, right? You have to install Java, correct? So you have to Java also. So something like this, my manager said, okay, do one thing. I need a one image based with a Ubuntu, update, Git, Java and a Tomcat. So now what I will do, I am following the manual method. Okay. So now let's create a container out of it. So let's look at my screen very carefully. So Docker and Docker Docker run -it Ubuntu. I want to go inside that, so I'm not adding the D, right? So here I did this. Now Docker run -it Ubuntu. I'm inside the container. Okay. Now so I got this one done. This Ubuntu I got it that. Now update. So can I update it? Get update. Okay, I'm updating because I'm a root, so I can do anything. So updated. So guys, this is also done. Okay, this is also done. Now can I install the Git? So here you see Git is not there right now. apt get install Git. Y. I press Y. Remember Y. Automated way, it will help you. Because first you should do manual. Because if you are not able to do manual, how can you automate it? So automation is required, manual activities also. So a knowledge of manual activities. So I did get done. Now can I install Java? So apt get install Java. Now I don't know the package name, so I'll get this package name. What is this? OpenJDK, right? OpenJDK apt. So click on So what is it with apt? So guys, this is the package OpenJDK -8. It's a JDK, not JRE. So JDK has a JRE inbuilt. Okay. And yes, I pressed Y. Remember that. Okay. I did. So I installed Java. Okay. Now see, everything I'm doing in the one layer only. By the way, remember everything. You are not doing in a multiple layer. Everything you are doing in one layer only. Okay. So now we have a Java also, Java 8 JDK. Guys, are you getting what I'm doing right now? Yeah. So in Indian 9 here 9. See, this is options which has been asked when I install the Java. So this you have to ignore it in the automation. What is this? Mauritius, Cosmo, Reunion, Maldives. I don't know. Let's go for anyone. Okay. I had three options to select. Y and then select the time zone and country also. Now it's done. Okay. So now this is done. Now last thing what my manager said, Java is done. Tomcat also you have to install. So can I do that Tomcat? So not this. Here it is. So can I install apt get install Tomcat. Yes. Tomcat package is not there. So probably the Tomcat package is something like a 7 or something. 8. No. So Tomcat package is not there. So I have to add.
I think you have to download the zip and extract it.
Yeah, that is also one way, but I'm just trying to avoid that. Just package name I have to select. Okay. So Java create. They are downloading it. Okay. So I think Tomcat package is not installed. Let me search if I get lucky. I did this. I did this also. So it's not coming. Okay, you have to enable this universal repository. The universal repository you will have it. So yes, this repository, how can we add it? So these are the ways to add it. So okay, just that's okay. There's too much of activity, but understood that. So now you can install. Let's install Apache. Install Apache. Apache, I know that it will be having the default registry. You can add this repository also, then you will get that output also. Others, if you want to download it, then you download it. So yes, which HTTPD, which Apache 2, sorry, Apache 2, you got this. So guys, everything I got this here, okay, everything here I got this, here Apache 2, okay. Now, everything I got this here, so it's wonderful, right? So now what need to be done in this container, you have everything. So now I have to create an image out of it. Now the question is, how do we create an image out of it? And the command is, look at it, Docker commit, yes, git commit, I think you remember, git commit, Docker commit and stuff like that. So Docker commit adding so many things actually. Ubuntu plus update plus git plus Java plus Apache. So many things. And what is the container ID which you want to commit? Container ID, okay? So I have to come out of this container. Control PQ. Control PQ. Control PQ. So Docker, yes. You can stop the container, hardly it matters. Remember, you can stop the container also. That's not a problem. Okay. So here, because anything, whatever the changes you did, you in the diff directory will not be deleted until you remove the container. So understand this. So Docker commit this one, and this is the container ID. What is the image name you want to give it? Let's keep this image name only. And now in between plus is not allowed. So hyphen will be allowed. So this is your image name, okay? Just to make sure that you understand what is contained. So that's all. So can I commit this? So remember Docker images. And you see here, there's one image. Now look at this. And can I do this Docker images? See here, you got the images. See the 3 seconds ago. See the size and see the image ID. And you want to create a container out of it. Docker run. Remember, I'm creating 2 containers right now. One from Ubuntu, one from a new image. So run -itd Ubuntu, and this I will name it properly. This is a name it before. Okay, I'll name it before. There's one container, and another container I name it after, and the image name will be this one, right? See here. So now Docker execute what? Before. You can run by before also. And what you want to execute? Get. Remember, in before get is Ubuntu is there. See, get is not there. Can I do after? After. See, get is there. So see here, you enjoy that whole things together in how it's easy. It's not consuming time also. It's just a matter of seconds. So did you understand this, guys? What exactly images? How can we create through manual way?
Yes.
So what you could have done, you could have committed multiple times, right? I did everything in one layer only, but that's not a good practice. But you can keep it in a, let's say, update in one layer, then create image, then do the container, install the Git in one layer, and then Java in one layer. Like that you can design. Now I did it everything. Now you see here Docker history and this image, and you see here, see this till here is a Ubuntu, and this is the changes which you made it. Size is around 549 MB. Okay. See, if you see Ubuntu history, you will see the layers. See that, match that. ADR and here ADR. You see here, right? So guys, this is
one question here, like I asked before also. But here in images history, like the first two we see the the commit ID or like the ID of the image, but for the rest of them it's just missing, right? What does missing mean?
So what is happening? When you want to see the history actually, then it will show all the history, how much time it got committed. But what is happening, because that you are creating the commit, you are creating the image through Dockerfile. Most of 99% of the time we create images through Dockerfile. Why? Because it's an automated way. Okay. So automated way, whenever you create images, then that will be missing. That number you won't see that. But if you manually do that, you get that number also. last number you get, which is the image DB.
Okay.
Understand that?
Yes.
So, Rajesh, so the prerequisite, so do we need to...
Actually, one more doubt. When we are committing, right, can we commit to the same image ID or a new image we have to create it?
See, if you commit the same image ID, what will happen? The image, okay, understand this way. Image is nothing but a kind of image name. Okay, understand there's a two things. Image name is the one which is repository name and image ID. So when you commit one more time, you will create a new image ID. But image name, if you keep this, then what will happen? That image ID will be associated to that name. And then earlier it will become a no tracking. For example, let's do that. So here what I am doing right now, I am committing. Okay. I am committing one more time. See, so I am committing one more time with the same name and same container, by the way. It can be different containers also. So what happened? Look at this. See here. This was the last one which I created. I hope you remember. That was the last one. Let's see, 4 minutes ago and 4 seconds ago, which is just now. So see, image ID changed. The moment you commit, image ID will change. And the name which you assign, it will be located to this name. So now this will become a not a name, so none. So you have to assign that name. How can you assign this name? Simple. Docker tag, which image ID? This one. What do you want to tag? Let's say RRRR. And now you tag it. So it's up to you. So basically, what is the image name? Image name is just a tag. Understand that. Repository name. Image name is repository name. Image ID is the unique. Wherever you commit, it will be created. Did you understand that? Content, you see that's the same content. 623, 623. So understand that. It's like a Git concept itself.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, but you told, right, so for every operation, like first we are installing Git, then we have to commit it, right? How to commit that one? With the same tag?
Container will be changed, no? Okay, you do not understand this flow. Let me tell you. See what you... It's a cycle work. See here, you have an image, you created a container. This is a container. Now you modify the container, let me change the color. Modify the container, you committed. It become one layer. Now, layer one image. So now this is a two layer of that particular image. Now from here you create a container and you modify again this one. You create one more layer. Now with this image you have a 3 layers. Now this is the cycle you have to follow. Are you getting it?
Okay, yeah, got it. Yeah, got it. So for each operation you have to create a container.
If you want, but you don't have to do manual because I'll teach you automatic way. But yeah, that way if you do only manual, then you can do that.
And one question, Rajesh. So we need to be in containers only to create images. Can we create an image other way?
Sorry, sir, I couldn't get your question.
Do we need to be the prerequisite should be there? I mean, we need to be in the container itself to create image.
No. I was not in a container. Remember, whenever I committed, I was outside. Docker command will run on the host machine, not inside the container. Docker client is not installed inside the container. No. I changed the things. Yeah. I changed the things and came out and then committed.
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Okay, guys. So now this is the one way. I hope it is very simple, not very difficult. So these are the commands I run in order to display the stuff. What I want, now you decide. Why should I dictate what kind of image you want to create? You have a logic, a little bit of logic which you know, because this manual activity which you have to know that what you want to do. So you need to know. So you decide what kind of base you want, Ubuntu, CentOS, RHEL, Fedora, Debian, SUSE, HP, all base images you can find on the hub.docker.com. On top of that you modify, create an image, and play with it. So now I'll give you for this say 15 minutes, 1-5, and then I'll review that. Let me tell you guys one more important thing. Next topic which will have sharing the image. So whatever images you are creating for us, you will be uploading it to the hub.docker.com, and that URL you have to share with me. So yes, you have to be serious about it. Creating images, because it's the most important topic for our session. So let me commit it. Day 2.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.